Hello and welcome to a screencast that will show you how to install Simply Accounting, which is actually now known as Sage 50 Accounting. If you're a returning student and you have a previous version of Simply Accounting installed, you'll have to uninstall it and run a cleanup utility. I'll show you how to do that. So you'll click on your Start button, then you'll go to Settings, Control Panel, and then you're going to go and find Programs and Features, and then you'll see a list of all the programs you have installed, but up here you'll have a search box, and you can actually type Simply, and if you have it installed already, Simply Accounting will appear here in the window. I don't have Simply Accounting installed, so that's why it doesn't show up here. But in your case, if you do have it installed, it'll show up in this list. So what you'll do is you'll click on Simply Accounting, and then click on Install or Uninstall, and then follow through and uninstall it. Once that's done, you will go to the following web page. So open Internet Explorer and type this address, na.sage.com/50-accounting-ca/download/2013/student, and hit enter. So this is the page where you can download the new version of Simply Accounting. But from here you can get the student version utility, which will clean up any previous versions that you have on here. So if you click on the link, then you'll see something like this where it'll prompt you to open or save the file. You can either open or save. So we'll say open. I'm using Windows 8, so this might look a little different than what you have if you're using a previous version of Windows. So you can just say open with File Explorer, or Windows Explorer it may say, and then double click on Student Version Cleanup Utility. I'm not going to run this because I have Sage 50 already installed on here, but in your case just double click and follow any prompts that come up, and that should take care of any older versions for you. Now you'll go back to the Sage 50 web page we opened earlier and click on the download button. You'll see a bar at the bottom where you can just simply click Run. Download Manager should run and begin downloading, and this may take some time. Through the magic of video editing, we'll speed up the video. Once the download is complete, your screen may flicker and you may get a security prompt. It's okay to say yes here. Installation will continue. So this is the folder where it's going to save your download. You can say next. And this again may take some time. Now this window will appear, and click Install Sage 50. Leave it at English and click OK. leave it set to typical and click Next. And now the serial number you will find on the web page where you downloaded the program. So you can copy and paste it by selecting the text and then right-clicking and choosing Copy. And then you can right-click in the box and say Paste. And then click Next. Check off I agree and click Install. This may also take some time. I've sped up the video here. So once the install is done, you'll see a window and you can uncheck the View Product Information and leave Open Sage 50 checked and click OK. And now you'll want to activate the software. So what you'll need to do is go back to the web page where you downloaded and follow the steps under Register. So click on this link and you're going to choose version 2013 and you're going to enter in your personal information, so your first name, your last name, email address. Make sure your email address is accurate because you will receive an email message with your activation information. Fill in all of the necessary fields. You can fill in the optional fields if you like, or just click Submit. And now they will send an email address or an email message to you. It should come in pretty quick. It says 3 business days there, but it should come in almost instantly. So go to your email provider and sign in. And you should get an email message from Sage Education. You can open that message. Your screen will probably look different than mine. So in the message you'll see a serial number and a key code. I've blurred out my information here because you'll have to use your own. So you can basically just select the text and copy and paste into the appropriate fields like this, going back and forth between your email message and the activation window. You can also type these numbers and letters in if you prefer. And once you have everything entered, click OK. At this point, Sage 50 should load. So once you've got Simply Accounting installed and activated, you'll also have to download an update file. So to get the update file, go to this address, na.sage-50-accounting-ca/support/product-and-payroll-/updates-/2013. You can pause the video if you need time to get this address. Hit enter. And then look for this link. It says download SA_20133CPUP1.exe. So click on that. And then down at the bottom you'll have this type of bar. You may want to save this file again, so hit Save As, the little drop down arrow next to Save, click on Save As, and then in that same Sage folder off of your desktop, Sage, you might want to put it in here. So just hit Save, and it'll download. And once it says it's completed, you can say Run. You'll likely get a security warning at this point, and you can say Yes. So you'll click on I agree to accept the terms, and then Install. It may be slow. You can uncheck the View Product Information in the README. We don't need to do that. And then when you open Sage 50, for the first time after installing the update, it should say Release 3 right here. And we're going to open a sample company. Now again, where I've already installed this update, I may not see the same window that you will see. This is the type of window that should appear for the tax updates. You should be able to just say, I want to update my tax information now,
helped
and click
and
Next.
made sense, and good luck.